Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about pest and its management. What is a pest? A pest is any living organism which competes with human, domestic animals or desirable plants for food or water. At the same time, they spread diseases to mankind and harms the environment. What is pest control? Pest control refers to the regulation or management of a species defined as a pest usually because it is perceived to be detrimental to a person's health, the ecology, or the economy. There are different types of pests as insects, arthropods, microbial organisms, weeds, molluscs, cockroach, termites, beetles and flies, spiders, bacteria, any plant growing where they are unwanted. So they are called weeds, snails, slugs and shipworms. So these are different types of pests. Causes damages or harms to the crops, medicinal plants or ecology, ultimately economy. Why to control pests? For clean environment, disease free environment to stop the rapid growth of pests. Control methods need to determine what mix of pests are present, what attracts the pest, what are the particular habits of the pest, what are the most effective control measures to control or eliminate the pest. Means to find out the nature of pest, which factors are responsible to attract this pest, and which chemicals or which methods are suitable to kill or to inhibit the growth of pest. Means to learn or to understand or to know the behavior of pest, thereby we can reduces or minimizes the growth of pest, or we may control over the pest, so thereby increases the yield and the quality of the product. Methods for pest control. There are mainly 5 methods for pest control: mechanical method, biological method, environmental method, agricultural method, and chemical methods. Mechanical method. It includes different activity or the steps or different devices which are used to collect pest and kill them. First, hand picking. Method of choice when pests are slowly crawling and are not able to fly. Example, caterpillars. We can pick up caterpillars from the plant or the herbs individually. Trapping. So it is used for flying pests which cannot be picked by hand or burn. Burning is also one of the mechanical method in which again flying pest which cannot be picked by hand and can cause damage. Pests are burned and waste is removed frequently. Biological methods. This method is applicable for removal of animal pests. It depends on the following considerations: animals and insects which feed upon smaller forms, whole, hawk, owl, eagle, and cats, etc. Insects having small lifespan, parasites bigger. Some flies lays eggs on larvae of the crop which cause damage. They attack slowly moving larvae. After few days when eggs are hatched, small larvae appear and consume the body tissue of the crop larvae. Hence death of pest occurs. So in short, just control over the laying eggs by the insects or these harmful pests so over the plant, because these eggs when hatch, larvae comes out and these larvae feed tissues, plant tissues, so thereby affect over the growth of plants and over the quality of product. So biological method in which birds and some other animals they grow, they may be friends to farmer or friends for these plants because they use these harmful pests or insects as feed. Okay, so living creatures or living agents used to control over the growth or to kill the other living agents. They may be harmful to crops or harmful to environment and ecology. Environmental methods. The surrounding of the pest is changed in such way it becomes unfavorable for its growth. It can be achieved by removing foodstuff needed for the growth of the pest of drawing swamps. Example, mosquito control. So, uh, environment should be clean or surrounding should be clean to remove garbage or waste. So thereby reduces the growth of pest because of favorable condition may be not available to grow or for the growth and development of the insects and the pest. So this is the simple method. So environment or the field should be make free from this garbage or the waste material. So maybe we can make control over the pest. Agricultural methods. It involves cultivation of such crops which are resistant to pest. So there are number of varieties are available in market. So these are pest resistance variety. So simply prefer these types of the varieties means easily pest they cannot attack over the crops or their yield. Okay, and ultimately minimizes the losses of yields and nutritional value or the quality of product. It may be achieved using biotechnology and genetic engineering. Again, these different advanced techniques or the methods are used to evolve a new species or new variety of crops. So these varieties we can use. So thereby again reduces the chances of damages because of pest. Another method for removal is crop rotation. Rotation is also one of the way. Uh, if we use or if we cultivate the same type of the crops or the species in the same field, so there may be resistance develop to the pest against the pesticides or the insecticides because of they grow well because of the same type of the species are available years to years or from longer period or the time. So crop rotation or planning about the cultivation of crop is one of the good solution to control over the pest. Chemical methods. In this method, certain chemicals are used for controlling pests. Example, rodenticides, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides. Effective pest control. An effective pest control program includes exclusion of pest, means to remove pest, then removing food source by good practice. So, available of food sources for pest just removed means to make clean or environment should be sanitized, then controlling pest with appropriate methods. So these different methods used in combined form: biological, mechanical, agricultural, then environmental, chemical. Okay, and specific procedures or the records should be maintained to control pest in the field. Pest exclusion means keep door closed, tight fitting, easily pest they cannot enter okay into the area where cultivation or the growing of plants or the herbs. Okay, minimizes gaps, use door seal and self closure means tissue culture or the plants may grow in a area where easily this pest cannot enter okay or they may be trapped. Then keep windows screen closed if growing of the plants or the tissue culture in a closed area or closed house. Then use air curtains, strip curtains, netting. So these are the different ways we can use for the pest exclusion. Exclusion means just removing the pest or just to stop the entry of the pest into an area where the plants are to be grown. Rodent control. Use of bait station, trap, most common, rats, mice. These are example of rodents. So they may be harmful or causes damages, okay, to the crop or mainly food grains if they store in a warehouse. So place traps inside production areas, sticky pads for small rodents, check and empty weekly. So different even devices, trapping devices are also available in market, or chemicals are also available. So these different ways we can use to control over the rodents. Bird control. Eliminate roots or nesting sites. Minimize food sources outside of buildings. Landscape plants can be attractive. Garbage. Use netting or screens under areas or structures open to outside. So these are different ways through which we can control over the birds. Insect control, physical and chemical method, and some other methods are also used. Physical method includes UV light, then mount at right height or location, charge electric grids, kill insects, then sticky pads sticks these insects, so thereby also can kill these insects. Then chemicals, handle pesticides with care, use only approved chemicals, don't contaminate food, use correct methods to target pests. So physical and chemical methods are used to control over the insect. Pest management. Pest management is a process can use to solve pest problem while minimizing risk to people and the environment. Pest management can be used to manage all kinds of pests anywhere in urban, agricultural and wildland or natural areas. Preventive measures. Seal cracks and holes on the outside of the home, including entry points for utilities and pipes. Easily insects and the harmful agent or the pests cannot enter into the area where the food grains or all other materials, crops or some their parts, medicinal plants are stored or the place. Keep tree branches and shrub very well trimmed and away from the house, means remove the extra part or the extraneous branches, okay, leaves and some other parts of the plant, and maintain healthy and uh, well suppose. Then keep basements, attics and crawl spaces well ventilated and dry. Area should be dry, clean. Okay, means favorable condition not to be provided to pest. Then store garbage in sealed containers and dispose of it regularly. So these are the different preventative measures for pest control. Dealing with resistance. Pest resistance is one of the problem for pesticides or insecticides when we use. When we use chemical agents and some other methods combinedly, so maybe limitations of insecticides, pesticides or some other chemicals as a resistance. If we use this repeatedly for longer time, so maybe there is no effect on the pest, no minimizes the growth of the pest, and maybe these chemicals as bactericide, rodenticide, weedicides, they may be ineffective. So that's why correct approach is most important thing or aspect in pest management. What is about wrong approach? Raise concentration of active ingredients. If we use the same chemicals in a higher concentration, so naturally pest resistance, that means resistance that develop about these chemicals to the pest. Easily they cannot kill or not control using chemical agents. Increase frequency of application. Again and again if we use or use repeatedly, so then again resistance that develop. So these two steps, these 2 points are wrong approach. Correct approach, reduce reliance on chemicals, means some other natural agents they may mix with these chemicals or these different chemicals used in a different form, in different combination, different concentration, alternation of chemicals, then targeted insecticide application. So these are the points or aspects related to wrong approach and correct approach. So thank you friends. This is about pest and its management for crops and medicinal plants.